The NDTV campaign, and this is the impact of our campaign, that now the murderer who allegedly stabbed a woman in Navi Mumbai to death and threw her body in bushes has now been finally arrested in Karnataka. Now the 20-year-old, the visuals are on your screens, the woman was brutally stabbed to death and her body was thrown into bushes. The visual on your right hand screen is of the accused Dawood Sheikh, who has been held from Karnataka. My colleague Radhika Ramaswamy is also joining me for more details on this. Radhika, how did this manhunt that was launched by the police actually took place, and how did they manage to apprehend Sheikh?
That's right. 8 police teams were formed to nab this accused. Of course, he'd been absconding for the last several days. In fact, Dawood Sheikh, the main accused, was in fact arrested from Karnataka, where he was in hiding. He allegedly brutally murdered this 20-year-old woman on Thursday. He abducted her. He, in fact, stabbed her to death and disposed of her body in an isolated place in Navi Mumbai. Of course, her body was recovered a day later. Her father, in fact, filed a missing persons complaint, after which, of course, there was a hunt done to understand where she may have gone missing, and unfortunately, she was found dead. Of course, this man went missing. He was absconding for the last 4 to 5 days, and now, of course, he's been nabbed. He will be produced before the court today. Of course, multiple protests also took place in Navi Mumbai by activists and citizens seeking strictest punishment for this monster of a man. But at this point, of course, investigations are underway to understand the motive. What the police has been able to tell us is that she had, in fact, this 20-year-old girl had allegedly rejected his advances, and he was, in fact, agitated over it. It is a classic jilted lover case where he was angered over her rejection, and therefore he went ahead and allegedly brutally murdered her. Certainly a very, very disturbing incident coming from Navi Mumbai. Now, of course, the man has been arrested. We'll have to wait and see how the court proceedings will go, and the kind of remand that will take place, and of course, through the course of investigations as well as court proceedings in the months to come, whether at all he will be convicted, and this can set any sort of precedent, because it's not the first time that a case of this nature is happening. This has obviously raised concerns around women's safety, not just in Mumbai but across the country, considering the number of cases that have come forth in the last few days.
Right, Radhika, and that is what we are focusing on here at NDTV. This is our campaign, that there is a time when we need to save our daughters. We saw what happened in Navi Mumbai. A 20-year-old was brutally stabbed to death by this man on your screens. He has now been arrested from Karnataka. He was on a run, and from the last several days, after the police, Maharashtra police formed several police teams and a manhunt was launched. Now he has been tracked and arrested from Karnataka. Now the incident took place on July 26th, if I'm not wrong, and the 20-year-old who is named Yashashri Shinde was found stabbed to death in Navi Mumbai. In fact, it was her father who actually came out and said that this man brutally stabbed his daughter and then threw the body in the bushes. He dumped her body on a highway and in the bushes after he left the crime scene. There were multiple injuries on this woman's body. Remember, she is just a 20-year-old woman